Not really sure what kind of a dance this bee is doing here, but he's really going to town with whatever. It's some sign of a communication that he's doing though, and he's really active with it. He's really, really active. There's a bunch of them actually doing it. A lot of activity on this. There's more drones on this frame. They got comb built up there. Honey in the corner capped. These little bees are really going to town, doing a lot of work. They're just amazing to me. These are drone cells at the very bottom that looks like popcorn. You can see them right there, all of them in a line. It's amazing. That bee doing his thing again. It's unbelievable.